Hey Sus, is it a storage facility for nuclear waste? I think so. Let's check it out. What kind of waste is inside? The liquid nuclear waste. Is it something new or that was from the NPP? I don't know for sure, we shall see. Is it spent fuel? Yeah. But that must be extremely radioactive, guys. Yeah, I told you already. And we've got a gas mask. Yeah, and the suit. But this can't be enough for protection, guys, don't you think so? That is quite enough for us, not for you. A fence? Well, let's climb it. Yeah, let's climb. Climb. Oh, there's barbed wire still. Yeah, see, there is some, and there is nothing. Will it stand us? Oh my gosh, it's shaking so hard. That is louder than I expected, guys. Easy enough, took me 1 sec. Just look at it, there is nothing inside. Yeah, it is dark right through, we can't see what is inside. We only read about this place. There's supposed to be a nuclear waste storage and so on. But there are no proofs of that, no data. We can only imagine what can be inside of this building. Maybe there will be remains of people. Yeah, of people trying to get inside. Can we go there? Just look at it. Oh my gosh, what the hell is there? Is it the nuclear waste already? It beats me. Is it flooded here? Yeah. Oh my gosh, what the hell is that? What if this water is waste itself? I don't know. It's risky. What if this water is contaminated? It can be radioactive. The trouble is we don't have a dosimeter with us. Yeah, that's a big problem. We don't have an ocean if this water is okay. Or it's radioactive. Let's go and see if there's another way. We can't be sure, but I wouldn't go through that water. What we've got there? Wind and lantern. Oh my gosh. Well, just let me get a... Are you ready, Max? I do, but I need to... Are you? Okay, I'm not ready. Well, let's go then. I see something. Oh my gosh, there are holes everywhere. We have to be careful. Oh my gosh. There are so many corridors here. There he is. Sus is always forward. He is our Susanin. Oh my gosh, that's like in a video game. Just like in Stalker. I don't know, I haven't played that. Me too. And there's another stolen wall door. Watch out, don't fall down. Oh my, it's shaking hard. Yeah, it is very unstable. And there is some water below. Look down. There can be radiation here. It is very soft and keeps bending. See? Okay, let's get out of here, before we fall in the water. Hey Sus, have you found some nuclear waste? We need to go upstairs now. Okay, let's go. Are we going back? It is the storage room. You mean with nuclear waste? Yeah. Was it right there? Yes. Oh my gosh, we've been inside. Each floor has 3 rooms, see? Yeah, look there. Yeah, and be careful, Alex. No, I'm not going there. That is too risky. Yeah. What is there? Oh my gosh, such a big ventilation pipe. It might be filtrating some radionuclides. There are stairs. Another way. We have found another exit. There are plenty of trees. Damn it. That was hard to open, guys. So huge. What a deep sound. Oh my gosh. The whitewash is falling down. The entire building started holding and shaking. Don't close it tightly, or we're gonna stay here forever. There are some Soviet lockers for radioactive waste. They look so cool. Be careful there, guys. No, that's some electric stuff here. Ground wire. 3 wires here. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Blinker is down. There is instruction about using that fuse box. But what was it for, guys? Any ideas? And what is a blinker? Oh my gosh, I've stayed here for 1 second. Sus is gone already. Are you there? There you are. I have almost lost you. There is plenty of dust. Do you feel that, Max? Yeah, sure. It may be radioactive. I'm not sure about radiation, Alex, but it is dirty here, yeah. Nuclear waste storage facility is in poor condition, nothing else to say. Can people keep nuclear waste like this at all? I don't think so, but we know nothing about it. And I wonder if those 3 rooms were a real storage place. And where could they take it? And these small chambers left and right were the places where people kept nuclear waste, in giant tanks. Me and Sus are going to check what's inside. These rooms are everywhere, and they are enormous. Holy Pripyat! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. I've got a drop on my head. Oh no, Max. Is it radioactive water? Probably yes, I don't know. Am I okay?
Oh
my gosh, where is this water from? It is pouring. Oh my, it's coming from there. Max, we're gonna go down. What do you say? We will see what is there. I think it may be dangerous. Because of water, it can be radioactive, guys. What if it's contaminated? Let's go there. That sound was getting on my nerves. Don't you feel the same? Yeah, a little. But I've got a little headache, you know? Maybe because I didn't sleep well, or because of huge radiation. Hush everyone, we can be heard. We are very lucky for now. No one has seen us. Oh, there's a power line. It is very close. Yeah, it is. Do you want to go there? Have you been there? Yeah. The echo is even worse there. SuperSus has taken some cool tools, including rubber pants. He can walk through water. And some gas masks. But they won't help much. If there was much of heavy water, it could get in soil, and thus radiation here may be dangerous. What is that, Sus? Rubber gloves? Yeah, just in case. 3 fingers to shoot. Oh, yeah, Soviet Union was smart. Now fishermen use it, but it isn't the initial purpose of these things. And what was the initial purpose? These suits were made especially for Chernobyl. Really? Yeah, for radiation protection. It's L1, light radiation protection suit. That's cool. Look, Max, it's a slipper. That is something new to me. And now, like this. Comfy enough? There must be some giant tanks with liquid nuclear waste somewhere. But someone has stolen them. Where could they put liquid waste then, if they were stealing tanks? Right below this video if these guys are crazy. They are nuts, psychos, because for doing this, they must be brave or mad. Do you hear me like that? Connection check. I can't see anything, guys, because the lens are fogged up. Guys, that is hard. They're gonna go down, in the very heart, in the very place where supposed to be the radioactive waste. That is hard, Max. It is so hard to breathe in this mask. Let's go. Good luck out there, guys. I can't believe you do it. If your legs start melting, cry loud. And I'm gonna run from here faster than you can imagine. Go. Tell me the depth. Look how I breathe. Is it deep? He's inside. Go, Alex. That's a hell. How SuperSus uses this mask all the time? Oh my, it's all scary. There's some water below. That's really dusty here, guys. And maybe this dust is radioactive as well. Bloody hell. Something is falling on me. It is radioactive. This suit is cool. It is well insulated. Now look at this round thing. That used to be the base of the tank with liquid nuclear waste. Why there's gravel below? I don't know. Max, stop shouting, or we're gonna become deaf soon. Look at this terrible dust, guys. Do you breathe well? Yeah, it is so hard. Where could these tanks go, guys? And the waste? Something is dripping here. What is that, Sus? I don't know what is that. But it doesn't look dangerous anyway. It's a rain of nuclear waste. Is your suit okay? It is punctured. Really? It's okay, I knew it is punctured. That is a hell, I can't see anything in this gas mask. It is really hot, guys. I sweat really much, but I have a slight feeling that I am protected from radiation, guys, wearing this suit. And I feel protected from this heavy water as well. Gas masks, it is stupid. Who even invented them? That is so stupid. It is hard to breathe and sweat hard. Sus has taken off his mask. In a former nuclear waste storage, I have nothing to lose. But Max is even afraid to go there. He's upstairs, out there. He called us psychos. He said he's too young and won't leave. The main thing not to move much, to throw less dust in the air. Well, now we know that radioactive waste has gone from this storage. There are no tanks and no waste. And we don't know where it is. And who could take it? Write if you have an idea about where could radioactive waste and tanks go. Do you have any guesses, guys? And where could anyone get these tanks with nuclear waste? It is near Chernobyl power units. Guys, it is getting even more dangerous. Every second. Get up faster, please. Okay, let's go to the 5th power unit to see the flooded cellars. Oh my, it is dripping from Sus. What the hell?